Hey fellow gardeners, welcome back to your channel name. Today I'm excited to show you an easy and space-saving method to grow sweet potatoes right in bags. Whether you have a small backyard or just a balcony, this method is perfect for growing your own delicious sweet potatoes at home. Ready to get started? Let's jump right in. First off, why grow sweet potatoes in bags? Well, sweet potatoes love warm soil, and bags make it easy to control the soil temperature. Plus, bags are great for small spaces. You don't need a garden bed or tons of space, just a sunny spot, a few bags, and the right steps, and you're on your way to a rich harvest. Here's what you'll need to grow your sweet potatoes: some grow bags, sweet potato slips, good quality soil, and a few other simple items. Let's gather everything and get started. Start by filling your grow bags about halfway with a mix of well-draining potting soil and compost. Sweet potatoes need loose soil so their tubers can expand without restriction. Avoid using heavy clay soil or garden dirt, as this can compact and stunt the growth of your sweet potatoes. Now let's plant the slips. These are young plants with roots already developed. Make a small hole in the soil, about 3 to 4 inches deep, and place the slip into it, making sure the roots are well covered. Space your slips about 12 inches apart if you're using larger grow bags. Since most bags are small, 1 or 2 slips per bag will work best. Once your sweet potato slips are planted, water them thoroughly to settle the soil around the roots. Sweet potatoes thrive in warm temperatures and need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily, so place your bags in a sunny spot. Make sure to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. After a few weeks, as your plants begin to grow, you can add a slow-release organic fertilizer to keep the soil nutrients balanced. You can also add mulch on top of the soil to retain moisture and protect the developing tubers from sunlight. After about 90 to 120 days, depending on the variety, your sweet potatoes should be ready for harvest. Once the leaves start yellowing and the vines die back, it's time to dig in. Gently lift the soil and pull out your sweet potatoes. Let them cure in a warm, dry place for about a week before eating. This helps sweeten the flavor. Here are a few extra tips. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Use breathable fabric bags to allow excess moisture to escape. And make sure your sweet potatoes get plenty of sunlight. And there you have it, folks, an easy way to grow sweet potatoes in bags. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Let me know in the comments how your sweet potato growing journey goes. Until next time, happy gardening.